Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have uploaded image successfully within the root folder. And now in this tutorial, we will learn how we can upload image to the specific path or any directory where we are wanted. So I want to upload this image in the content folder here. So what I will do, I will declare the path of folder here. First, I will take a string and store target folder. I will use http context dot server and map path, and my map path is this one, and that's it. Next, I need to define the target path, so I will use string and target path is equal by path dot combine. It's not, I have to write manually. Path dot combine, and here first we will paste the target folder, comma, the name of file, which is this, and then we will save this file in this way. Okay, one thing more. For this we need to add system IO library, which is this, and now that's it. Now execute the application. When I will upload any image from the application, it is automatically uploaded here. So let's see. Refresh this, and when the application once executed, click on create. Now upload image, any image. If you have any kind of image, you can upload that and click open, and you will see when I will click create, here you can see it is dynamically created, and here you can see it is created here. So I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.